Welcome to our instructional video on reducing rational expressions to lowest terms. In this video, we will be focusing on reducing the expression x squared plus 9x plus 18 divided by x plus 6 to its lowest terms. Stay tuned to learn the step-by-step process on how to simplify this rational expression. To begin simplifying the rational expression x squared plus 9x plus 18 over x plus 6, observe the numerator x squared plus 9x plus 18. The first step is to factor the quadratic expression in the numerator if possible. Recognize that we are looking for two numbers that multiply to give the constant term 18 and add up to the coefficient of the linear term, which is 9. These two numbers are 3 and 6. This allows us to factor the numerator into x plus 3 times x plus 6. Now, the expression becomes x plus 3 times x plus 6 over x plus 6. Notice that the expression now is x plus 3 times x plus 6 over x plus 6. Since both the numerator and the denominator share a common factor of x plus 6, we can cancel out this common factor, canceling the x plus 6 terms in the numerator and the denominator. We are left with x plus 3. Therefore, the simplified form of the rational expression is x plus 3. This concludes the final step in simplifying the given rational expression.